I know you have used I, capital I, 10 times. I'll tell you the secret of I means the me centric. Me centric is your default mind. Just use the word I'm crazy, I reacted. Every the word is crazy. I am only the I am is good. It is a me centric mind falsely creates a sense of I-ness. Masters are saying dissolve this by understanding, recognizing, because of the thought, because of the desire seeking permanent happiness in the world outside, it creates me centric. Cannot manage it. The more you manage, the more problems it creates. You have to shift this false I to the real I. Where is the first step? Me centric is the false I, and all centric is discovery of the infinite I. The default mind says, when I will be okay. The discerning mind says, may all be okay, including me. You recognize I, which is what is already within you. You change the direction of the mind. The moment you change the direction, you will find there is a calmness and peace. That is the secret behind this, what we say, the Mangalacharan mantra. Every time I say for all, my word becomes bigger than me centric. Old pattern, if they get it, I won't. And new vision, Purnam is our shared nature. Joy doesn't run out. Fullness is not a resource, it is the source. That is the message of this Mangala. You have an old habit, get hit back. You have it, get hit, bless inwardly once and then respond. You understand? We're talking about your relationship. My first inner world can turn a fight into a doorway. It will open you for greater resources that is present